How do elections define the trajectory of a nation? This question echoes loudly in the halls of power across southern Africa, particularly in Zimbabwe, where recent electoral processes have sparked both controversy and global attention. The elections of 2023 were not just a test of democratic resilience, but also a showcase of the ongoing struggles within the political framework. Reports from various observer missions and opposition parties highlighted significant issues, including voter intimidation, the exclusion of credible candidates, and egregious opening delays at polling stations. These allegations suggest a pattern of orchestrated barriers that potentially skewed the electoral outcome in favor of the ruling party. Furthermore, the government's crackdown on opposition activities, marked by arrests and reported violence, raised serious questions about the commitment to democratic norms within the region. How do elections define the trajectory of a nation? This question echoes loudly in the halls of power across southern Africa, particularly in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, where recent electoral processes have sparked both controversy and global attention. The 2023 elections in the DRC were marred by widespread allegations of irregularities. The opposition, backed by several observer missions, questioned the integrity of the election results, pointing to discrepancies that could significantly alter the political landscape of the country. The electoral chaos in the DRC serves as a stark reminder of the fragile state of democracy in parts of Africa, where the will of the people is often at peril. These electoral controversies in Zimbabwe and the DRC are not isolated incidents, but reflect broader systemic issues within the Southern African Development Community, SADC region. The implications of such flawed elections extend beyond national borders, threatening regional stability and undermining the collective efforts towards socio-political progress. As the SADC region stands at a crossroads, the need for transparent and fair elections becomes more apparent than ever. The integrity of electoral processes is fundamental to the legitimacy of any government and is crucial for ensuring peace, stability, and development. The controversies surrounding the recent elections in Zimbabwe and the DRC highlight a pressing need for reforms and for a stronger regional stance on upholding democratic principles. In conclusion, the electoral integrity in Zimbabwe and the DRC casts a long shadow over the SADC's aspirations for a democratic and prosperous region. Addressing these issues is not just about rectifying electoral processes, but about restoring faith in the political systems that govern these nations. As the region moves forward, the lessons from these controversies must guide the pursuit of a more democratic, stable, and prosperous Southern Africa.